Next we are going to discuss with peak overshoot. Okay, next we are going to discuss with peak overshoot MP. Peak overshoot MP. From the figure, it is clear that MP is the ratio between maximum peak value and final value. Okay, peak overshoot is the ratio between maximum peak value and final value, and this peak value is measured from final value. It is a ratio between maximum peak value and final value. It is a ratio between maximum peak value and final value, and this maximum peak value is measured from final value. Okay, and this peak value is measured from final value, therefore it is C of Tp minus C of infinity divided by C of infinity. Its final value is called as C of infinity. Okay, so how to find this value, how to find this peak overshoot? First we know that C of t equals 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega n t by root 1 minus theta square into sine omega dt plus theta. Okay, we know that C of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega n t by root 1 minus theta square into sine omega dt plus theta. First we need to find C of infinity. First we need to find C of Tp and C of infinity. First we are going to find C of infinity. C of infinity equals 1 minus e raised to minus infinity divided by root 1 minus theta square into sine infinity plus theta. Okay, e raised to minus infinity is 0, therefore this C of infinity becomes 1. Okay, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ C of infinity എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്? ഫൈനൽ വാല്യൂ ആണ് അല്ലേ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ മാക്സിമം പീക്ക് വാല്യൂ ബൈ ഫൈനൽ വാല്യൂ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് അറ്റ് ദി C of infinity. ഏതൊരു സിസ്റ്റം ഫൈനലിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? സ്റ്റഡി സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഇതിപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് തന്നെ കിട്ടും? 1 തന്നെ കിട്ടും. ഓക്കെ, 1 മൈനസ് ഇ റേസ് ടു മൈനസ് ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി. മൈനസ് ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? 0. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ടേം എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ദിസ് ടേം ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ആൻഡ് C of infinity becomes 1. Next we are going to find C of Tp. C of Tp കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ tക്ക് എന്ത് കൊടുത്താൽ മതി? Tp, that is 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega n Tp divided by root 1 minus theta square into sine omega d Tp plus theta. Okay, e raised to minus, we know that Tp equals, നമുക്കറിയാം Tp എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? pi by omega d. So substitute Tp equal to pi by omega d, that is 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega n. Tp equals pi by omega d. It is pi by omega d can be written as omega n into root 1 minus theta square into sine omega d. Tp means pi by omega d plus theta. Okay, and this equation becomes C of Tp equals this omega n and omega n get cancelled, that is 1 minus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. This omega n get cancelled, so e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square into sine Tp is equal to pi by omega, that is sine pi plus theta. Okay, Tp equals 1 minus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square into sine pi plus theta. We know that sine pi plus theta, sine 180 plus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Therefore, C of Tp equals 1 minus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square into minus sine theta, that is 1 plus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. Okay, C of Tp equals 1 plus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. We got C C of Tp equal to 1 plus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. We know the equation MP equals MP equals peak overshoot MP equals C of Tp minus C of infinity divided by C of infinity. So C of Tp equals 1 plus e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square minus 1 divided by 1. So this 1 and 1 get cancelled, and that is equals e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. Okay, plus MP equals peak overshoot MP equals e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. So the equation of MP equals e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square. The question is percentage MP, then multiply this answer with 100. Okay, percentage peak overshoot equals e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square into 100. The equation of percentage MP is e raised to minus theta pi by root 1 minus theta square into 100, and peak overshoot is the ratio between maximum peak value and final value, and also measure the maximum peak value from the final value.